And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe
on the go. Still a little sick.
Same day. If you watched our Temu video, you would know it's the same day.
No, it's not. It's a different day.
We're just knocking them out today.
Oh, I'm just so tired. Just so sick and just so tired. I'm drinking tea. So
Mine is way too hot to drink.
In my Walt Disney.
I love that mug.
Papa mug.
I love that.
You know who gave this to me?
Me.
Oh, Riley didn't give it to me?
No, I bought it.
Oh, okay. Well, still, it's like, you know, because of Riley, because I'm her papa.
Yeah, absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we did a bit of a Target haul. We had the stuff delivered. Actually, it was shipped, if I'm being honest, because we are going to Walt Disney World in 5 weeks, and I noticed that we were short on some things that we need to bring with us, and I am a type A planner, so
she is.
I am. So I decided to order some of that stuff now, just so we have it, because I do have a bag where I keep certain travel things that we bring with us every trip. I should do a pack with me video or what's in my bag video.
You should, but
because
as it gets closer.
I just,
you know, like
I find packing so daunting.
Well, yeah, because it takes you 5, maybe you should start doing the video this weekend. It takes 5 weeks to pack. Me, the day before, I'm good.
I need Chloe from Cloe and Dan vlogs to fly to my house and pack for me, or KJ from Disney Mom Life to come and pack for me.
Yeah, I don't know how KJ does it, but I've seen Chloe and I see what Chloe brings. And now with Juniper and everything that they're doing for packing and going, yeah, she does a really good job. Yeah, like it's ridiculous. She's I don't know, freaking nature. The way she matches outfits and different outfits for different things that they're doing each day.
Sometimes more than one outfit a day.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Different outfits each day for what they're doing, and she's got everything packed. I don't know. So more energy than I have. That's for sure.
And then my friend KJ has 3 little kids. I think they're all under 5. And they only do carry-on. And I watch her videos in pure amazement. How do you pack for a family of 5 carry-on? I couldn't pack for me just carry-on. Yeah, there's no way.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh well.
No way. Anyway,
all right, so this
let me
is
get the box.
Our Target unboxing.
Ooh. It's a big box.
Ugh.
Ugh. I will say that there's a couple things for the house that aren't going to Florida with us, but...
So, we got it partially open.
You get what you get.
You got it there?
I'll
get this side.
Great.
There you go.
Okay.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Oh, I will say, I do love how Target packs their boxes. Sometimes they don't come in the best shape. They come dented and smashed and you're wondering if there's something broken in your box, but nothing's ever broken. They pack it very well. I'm always amazed. But the first thing we got was just a 4-pack of Kleenex, because for all of us sickly people in this house, we need more Kleenex because some are still coughing and hacking. And this is the Kleenex lotion.
Oh, even better.
It protects, soothes, and moisturizes. It's a 3-in-1.
I'm opening this up because I'm telling you what, man. I've been blowing my nose so much, I've been bleeding. Literally.
Oh, I just said
noses.
they packed things well and something leaked.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Ooh.
Live unboxing, kids.
Oh, yeah.
You need some paper towels?
We're going to shut this off for a minute and we'll be right back.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, it was the body wash. Look at that.
Oh, heck yeah. It's all on the inside. Everywhere.
Yep.
Everything got...
Yep. Oh, this is horrible. Yeah, I'll be contacting Target.
So this is the dish soap.
Yep. Is that what?
It's the dish soap that... It's the dish soap that leaked.
Oh, this is horrible.
Smells good though. Well, that smells really good. This dish soap, it is the lavender and bergamot.
Oh, it's like everywhere. Oh, this is horrible. The problem is it's dish soap, so it's like all sticky and gooey. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the soaps. They're like actually stuck. Oh, and it's just all over the kitchen.
Here, take those bags out. That's fine. Well, what exploded was our dish soap. It's the, what is this one called? The Everspring?
I can't, no, the spring, Everspring, lavender and bergamot. It smells really good. You know how I know? Because it's all over everything we ordered.
Yeah, this is what exploded.
This is horrible.
And it went everywhere. But it smells, can you smell my hand? Oh, it smells really, really good, I'll tell you that.
It does smell really, really good. Didn't I just say I was so impressed with the way Target packed everything?
Yes, you did. You just said that.
I take that back, Target.
You just said that.
So I will be calling, chatting with Target about this order because, yikes.
Yeah, yikes, especially yikes. So this came out and it was fine, and then when you looked in the box, it was like, oh, wait a minute, hold on. So yeah, we had 2 boxes of Dove soap. The boxes themselves are totally decimated. So
they were totally stuck to the box.
Yeah, the soap boxes were stuck to the inside of the big box.
Okay, so this was, all right.
So yeah, we got some wet ones, which we need for our hands now.
Yeah, these are for our park bag.
Feet masks, because when you spend a day in the park, what better way to relax your feet than a mask?
Yeah, and we've done this once before and we really liked it, so I thought, let's order a couple more for us.
It's got coconut oil, it's smoothing and moisturizing.
It's the Key Bella brand.
Che bella.
Key Bella. All right. I also got us, like everything is so sticky, some travel size Kleenex because we're just about out.
So we have big boxes and little
boxes.
Packages.
Okay.
We got our Dove soap.
I'm not a fan of body wash. In the hotels, I really like my bar soap. So, got some of the Ordinary moisturizer. I've been using this for a couple months now and I really like it.
Is it for your face?
Yes, it's non-greasing. It doesn't make me break out. I really like every product from the Ordinary. It's a great brand. If you haven't tried it, try it.
Surface Hydration Formula, The Ordinary, hydrates and oils.
You should try it. It's a good lotion.
Okay.
I think it's even better than the Clinique one. Okay, so, and when I say I usually love, except not today, how Target package things, this is the Kristen S blow dry mist, and they always put like tape around the bottles so they don't explode. So I don't know what happened there. That's just a mess.
Yeah, I don't know at all.
Got a couple travel size Barbasol shaving creams.
Because you gotta have your cream to shave.
Got a couple mouthful washes so you have fresh breath.
Oof, especially after coffee or tea.
Got a big shaving cream because we were out for the shower.
No, you,
for me.
not me. Yeah.
And then,
smells like the ocean.
Oh.
Does this smell like the ocean?
I don't know. Right now I just smell lavender bergamot.
Yeah, exactly.
And then I did get a body wash because Joe likes it and he's almost out. It's the Method Body Berry Balance Body Wash. It's a plant-based cleanser and it's got good vibes inside. It's got good vibes inside.
We had good vibes out here until we opened the box.
We did. Ooh.
Ooh, that smells yummy.
I like that.
That smells good.
I like that a lot. So that's our Target haul. Again, we had dish soap in there, but it's pretty much exploded all over the box.
Let me see this dish soap again. Everspring.
It smells really good. I'm sad that we're not going to be able to use it.
I mean, technically we still could.
You want to clean it off?
Sure.
Okay.
Let's just see.
Maybe it had a leak in it. Maybe it's...
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. Ugh.
Ooh.
You know what? They didn't tape this one up either.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, that smells so good though.
I'm afraid that if it's leaking from the bottom, that when I put it away, it's just going to create more of a mess that I'm going to have to clean up. So, yep, that's going.
Well, it's like a good. Where's?
It's
Yeah, it's like a third of the bottle at least.
Yeah.
Third of the bottle like just completely exploded.
Well, that was a fail. Epic fail.
Epic fail.
Epic fail, Target. Do better. I will be calling customer service or chatting with you online.
Tough on grease. It's down to earth. Solutions that are up to Earth's standards. We believe a cleaner home begins with a better packaged bottle. Anyway, with that said...
so that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on-the-go action, because when we do unboxings, you never know what we're going to get.
Yeah, and you never know.
Today we got a mess.
And you never know what kind of videos we're going to do. We're kind of a little bit all over the place all the time. But here you are. And now I have to go wash my hands.
Bye.
Bye.